Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. My name's Grace if you're new, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. So in this video I wanted to do my skincare routine. So I've gotten a lot of questions on how I keep my skin clear. So right now I'm not wearing any makeup. I just have a little bit of lip gloss on and I filled in my eyebrows a little bit, but literally no foundation, no concealer, no powder, no nothing on my skin. I'm going to be showing you the products that I use and the products that I switch out using. I've been using these products for about 6 to 7 months, and all the cleansers that I'm going to show you today and the moisturizers are going to be natural products. So before I get into the products and my skincare routine, I wanted to give you some tips on things that you can do outside of skincare. So outside of the routine, things that you can do on the daily throughout the day. First tip is one that most people will give you, everybody says this all the time, is drink lots of water. So I try to drink at least 2 liters a day. I know I don't always hit that, and it's kind of hard sometimes when you're busy and you just don't think of drinking water, but drinking water is so important for your overall health, so drink that water. The second tip is to wash your face before you go to bed. Yes, even if you're not wearing makeup, wash your face before you go to bed, because you don't want to sleep with the makeup or the dirt and the oil on your face overnight, because your skin, like your pores will open up, and in the morning you will break out. You will break out in the morning. Oh my gosh, I always break out at least. So make sure to wash your face at night before you go to sleep. And if you don't wash your face, at least wipe it with a makeup wipe or something. Sometimes I'll just get some toner and honestly just wipe my face. If I'm way too lazy, then I'll just wipe my face like that and go to sleep. But if you do go to sleep with your makeup on, make sure to change your pillowcase. Change your pillowcase, like wash it, change it, have a fresh one on, so that the next day before you go to sleep, you've washed your face because you learned your lesson the night before, and you're sleeping on a nice, fresh, clean pillowcase. So wash your pillowcase and wash your face before you go to sleep. Third tip is, for me, I've cut out all dairy and meat. I have a plant-based diet. I'm vegan, so cutting that out has actually helped a lot of people. That might help you with acne or anything like that. I'm not a professional. I should actually make a disclaimer. I'm not a professional. I'm not a dermatologist. I'm not any type of specialist that works with skin. No, I have no certifications. So this is just from my experience, what has helped me, and maybe it might help you, but I'm just giving you my opinion, and not a professional opinion, just my experience, okay? Next one is try to relieve your stress. Try to minimize your stress levels, because I feel like for me, I start breakout whenever I'm highly stressed. Yeah, I try to minimize my stress and just like give it to God. Whatever my problems, whatever I'm stressing about, just try to let it be, and everything's gonna be okay. But yeah, that's bigger than that. That's a whole nother thing. That's a whole nother thing than this video. But yeah, I just try to minimize my stress. Next thing is, well, my skin type is dry combination. So I have mostly dry skin, but I do have some oily spots. So for me, moisturizing is a must. Like, I cannot go a day without moisturizing. My skin will feel so tight on my face and feel like I can't even move it. Make sure you moisturize your face, even if you have oily skin too, because a lot of times when your skin is producing a lot of oil, it's trying to make up for the fact that it's not moisturized, it feels dry. So you want to moisturize your face so that hopefully your skin won't have to make up for that lack of moisture and produce a bunch of oils. So make sure you moisturize your face. Next tip. So I know I touched my face a couple times, but do not touch your face with your hands, with your dirty hands. Yes, if you touch your face, wash your hands, and then if you want to, touch your face, but throughout the day, do not touch your face. I've learned to not do that because of wearing makeup, and I don't want to mess up my makeup if I touched my face. But really, like, you touch door handles, you touch things, countertops, people, like clothes, it's a bunch of germs everywhere. So try not to touch your face because that's just gonna put all those nasty things that you've been touching around all day. It's gonna put that on your face and not gonna be good for your skin. So try to keep your hands down and don't touch your face. I think that's all that I can think of when it comes to tips on skincare. If I think of anything else, then I will definitely put all the tips down below in the description box if I think of anything else. Now we can go on to my actual routine, and I will be showing you the products, what stores carry them, where I got them, and the prices and everything like that. So let's go ahead and get onto the video. And if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that red button down below. That'd be amazing. And go ahead and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I post a new video. And comment down any other videos you want to see me do. And then also, you can follow me on my social media. All that will be down below. My Instagram, my Snapchat. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Okay, so this is the state of my skin right now. I have these two little breakouts right there, but for the most part, looking good, not too bad. So I'm gonna go into my cleanser. I'm using the Pacific Coconut Milk Cream Face Wash, and I really like this one because it does remove a lot of my makeup if I'm wearing it, and it really feels hydrating as well. You can see me just putting this all over my face, and as I'm putting this on my face, I like to really focus on my cheeks and the middle of my forehead. Obviously, you know, wash the rest of your face, but I just really like spend a lot of time like scrubbing the middle of my face, my cheeks, and my forehead. So yeah. Now off to rinse it off. I like to use a towel that is clean just for my face, and I like to just dab. Now for toner, I am using this one by Earth Science. It's the Clarifying Herbal Astringent Toner, and I really like to use toners to get the excess dirt and makeup off of my face. Even if I've cleaned it with my face wash and I feel like I've gotten it clean, if I use toner, there's always some extra dirt or makeup left over. So I like to just use this and wipe it all over my face. Now for moisturizer, I'm going in with the Pacifica Cactus and Kale Moisturizer. This one does have a slight scent. It's not too overwhelming, but yeah, I like this. It's not too heavy either. I just use a little bit and I just apply it all over my face, and it makes it feel nice and moisturized and not tight anymore, because right after I use the toner, my face feels really tight and dry. So yeah. Now I'm going to go in with another moisturizer by Shea Moisture. This is the Renewal Cream, and this I use for my under eyes. So my under eyes can get really dry too. This one is a little heavier, so I like to use it sort of like an eye cream. So I'm just putting a couple dots underneath my eyes and rubbing it in. Next, to top everything off, I'm using my Rosewater Glycerin spray. This just kind of seals everything. You know, like when you're doing your makeup and you do your final spray of your setting spray, this is like the spray for your skincare. Just like to spray my face to top everything off, and it adds some extra moisture and it smells good too. So that's basically it for my skincare, and then these are some other products that I really like to use as well. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. We've come to the end, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!